Say good morning. Morning. He's just such a natural with the camera. He's just gorgeous. So this morning, a little bit of a stressful start to the day this morning. Woke up with my ads account and my Facebook and my Instagram and everything being hacked. So that's a bit stressful. But there's just no support with it. No idea. So all I did was set up two-step with all the accounts they haven't hacked yet. And just block our cards for a little bit, like block our bank account. Hopefully they haven't gotten into the bank account. But super stressful. I'm not sure what you do. Like, there's not much information about it. Apparently it happens to a lot of people. Yeah, so they've hacked my Facebook account. Then they've added a Instagram account to that. And apparently through that they can get into your ad account for your, your ad account. Hey. So that was a bit stressful. A wee bit stressed. But, I don't know, I've marked it, I've reported them as hackers, and now everything's shut down. So that's the current status of that. Hey? Who knows? So I'm just going to give it a little bit of time and, I don't know, see if we can get all our accounts back. But that's a bit stressful. We work so hard on building our following and doing content, and to have it sort of, I don't know, taken away from you and the risk of like someone getting into your bank is pretty stressful. But there's where we're at. Oh my goodness, you are whiny. So Dad's at the farm today, hopefully planting out seedlings. We were going to go help Huxie. However, it's rainy. Let me flip the camera. It's like rainy and dreary. At the moment, it's not raining, but it's sort of been on and off. So Devon's down in that battling like the, you know, savior he is. What is this? A kangaroo? Can we see there's a kangaroo? Hey, Ruru. Aww. But he's seeing if he can get something done at the farm. We're just hanging out at the house. Designing some new labels for some new products. So we've got our soap. I'm going to have a soap making day tomorrow with Mum, and we're going to make some more soap for our store. So I'm just redoing the labels for that. Just labels. I want to list a few more products on the online store. So I got the first product listed yesterday, which was so exciting. Nothing's live yet. I'm just listing the products. And then when I've got enough, I'll make it live. Because nobody wants to go to an online store and buy a single product. You know. You don't want to do it. It's not going to be good. So I just want to get a few products up before I make it live. Yeah. But I've been just doing a little bit on the computer. Think I'm in need of a break. What do you think? Coffee break? Coffee break. Should we bake some cookies? I'm not sure. Isn't it cookie weather? Like, is it when it's rainy? Does everyone just want to bake cookies, or is it just me? Like, light a candle, bake some cookies. I don't know. Let's bake some cookies. Got to do something to de-stress after my stressful hack attack this morning.
Ahoy everyone. It's a gloomy old day today, but we're down in the garden, and what we are doing is we're replanting everything that we lost in well, what I'll call the great grasshopper attack. So we lost, when we got those grasshoppers, about 120 odd plants, probably actually more if you count some of the beetroots and whatnot, but we lost a lot to the grasshoppers. But so we waited until we could see that they were kind of starting to, their numbers were subsiding with winter, and when they were, we re-sowed like seeds to make seedlings, and there today, and we are planting out all the little new seedlings in the hope that the grasshoppers don't come back. So we've replanted beetroots here, our purple pak choi way up the other end, and this whole row here I've just finished putting under purple Sicily cauliflower, and probably a majority of this row here will probably have cauliflower going into it as well. We also got some wombox. Don't know where I'm going to put them, but I'll figure it out. So to put it into perspective, when we lost all the stuff to the grasshoppers, we lost everything in that top row, everything in this row, everything in that row, everything in that row, everything in that row, half of this row, which is the empty half now, just up to the fennel, and, well, everything that was in this little patch. The beetroot here we thought would be okay. They did get hit with the grasshoppers. We thought they'd be okay, but I have noticed that as they are maturing, the beetroots themselves are looking pretty woody. So they may end up as chicken food, which isn't great, but at least we can use it. And we lost everything down there. So as you can see, we lost quite a lot to the great grasshopper attack, but that is the nature of what we do, I suppose. But yeah, we got seedlings back up and running, so we're replanting. And it's all on me today. We were unsure what the weather was going to do, so farmhand Paul, he stayed home in the dry. It turns out actually it's gloomy, and it's a little bit spitty. It's just starting to spit now, but we haven't really had a hell of a lot of rain. But you know, what do? You don't want to call someone all the way out here and then send them home because it's raining.
Just trying to get the little boy to sleep. Devon's in there making up ridiculous nursery rhymes, and there's a possum in that room that's making this really loud noise. I think Devon's doing a good job. I think he's nearly asleep, but that possum's not helping. Oh, sweet little boy. We're just going to play a hand of cards tonight. Ah, nice day today. Devon got a little bit of work done at the farm, which was really good. We're just going to relax, have a game of cards now, and then probably have a pretty early night tonight. Really big day tomorrow, so it's been a good night. I think the little boy's asleep.
To rest your little sleepy head. Mummy, don't video Daddy's